Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, hi, my name is Shani. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. So in today's video, I was like, yo, what can I film today? I have a whole bunch of boxes over here that I have not touched of PR, and I'm just like, yo, I had like I was just like really anxious because I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to film with. There's just so much stuff that I don't know what to film with. Sometimes I feel bad because I don't get to everything, but then again, I'm just like, yo, I'm just one person, you know what I'm saying? So I narrowed down everything to the last two boxes that I got sent in PR. So in today's video, BH Cosmetics sent me the new Zodiac Love Signs collection. This is the PR box that they sent me. Let me show y'all. It's so cute. They have been sending me a lot of their PR because I am on their PR list now. Oh my god. That's so cool, right? And then yesterday they sent me their new matte eyeshadow palette. This one right here, but I don't think I'm going to be using this in this video because I feel like I just want to use one palette, but we'll see how it goes, okay? So this video is all about the Zodiac Love Sign palette from BH Cosmetics. So thank you so much, BH Cosmetics, for sending this over to me. Alright, so this is the breakdown of the palette. It has 12 buttery matte eyeshadows, 12 baked shimmer shadows, 1 luminous baked highlighter, and that is all that comes in this palette. And like I said, this is the Zodiac Love Sign collection, and it came out on November 22nd. So yeah, if you guys are interested, it's already out for you guys to get your hands on. Super cute. Like, look at the bottom of the box. This is so cute. So cute. Okay, I'm done with the box. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and, you know, start this eye look because I already know what colors I'm gonna use because I'm a Capricorn. So I'm gonna be using these blue colors to create an eye look, and hopefully it turns out right so you guys have a video to watch. So yeah, let me do my brows real quick and I will be right back. Thumbnail. Okay, so the first color I started with is Aquarius, this color right here, and I'm using my Morphe M156 brush, and this palette comes with a mirror, so BH Cosmetics, y'all did that. Tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna stamp this into my crease. Y'all see the pigment already? Wow, just wow. I'm trying to figure out if I've ever used BH Cosmetics eyeshadows. I usually stick to, y'all know, MAC eyeshadows and Morphe eyeshadows pretty much. And I'm just gonna blend it inward and wing the shadow out. Okay, so that color is down, which is Aquarius. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M441 brush and take Capricorn, this color right here. Tap off the excess. It does have a little bit of a kickback, but the pigmentation makes up for it, so I'm not even tripping. Usually I don't like a whole bunch of fallout because I feel like depending on the amount of fallout and kickback, it's kind of like a waste of product in a way if it has too much kickback, because it's like all your eyeshadow is going up in the air, you know, and not on your face. So sometimes that's why I have an issue with kickback. Now I'm taking Warm Sand Concealer from LA Girl to cut my crease, and I'm going to mix it with this glitter primer from NYX so that the eyeshadow sticks to my eye and doesn't crease. Alright, so to cut my crease, I'm taking my MAC 242 brush and making sure it's like flat. There's so many ways to cut your crease, but in today's video I'm doing like a mixture of both, like stamping the product on my eyelid and then that looking down or up look to get a line. So I'm doing both. And then the edges, I just like to pat out. Okay, moving on. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe M157 brush. It's just an eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to pick up the shimmery Capricorn shade. I'm gonna take the Morphe Continuous Spray and spray it on my brush. And then just pack this eyeshadow line your eyelid, okay? And just keep on packing and pressing. Don't worry about the edges if it's not blended out. I'm gonna show y'all how to blend that out real quick. Just give me 1 second. Now I'm taking this highlighting shade in the middle on this angled brush, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. Like so. So it opens it up a little bit more and makes it look more sharp. Okay, now for this outer corner part, I'm taking the Aquarius shade right here. And I'm just gonna press it on the outer corner so it blends into this matte eyeshadow. And I'm only taking it along the edges because I don't want to make this eye part become more smaller. So, ow. So I'm just taking it on the outer corner and pressing it out. So pretty, right? Oh, I think I'm good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do some liner and put some lashes on it. And the lashes that I'm wearing are the Lily lashes in the style Miami. So I'm just doing my basic liner that I always do. Y'all know me. Oh, I'm using the NYX liquid black liner. If y'all were wondering, I'm finally running out. I'm finally running out of my Makeup Forever liquid liner, and I've had that. I feel like I've had that liner since the beginning of the year. I'm probably wrong, but I've had that liner for forever. That is that. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna smoke it out or blend it into the rest of the eye look. So I feel like the liner dried a little bit. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe M156 brush, and I'm using this side. And I'm going into the Ultra Matte 42 color shadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just using this black color in the palette because I wanted to use it in this video as well. So I'm just using that color, and I actually really like it. It's black. I can definitely say that. If y'all can see my eye twitching, please excuse that. I don't know why it does that. It's so annoying. So yeah, I'm just taking that eyeshadow and pressing it on top of the liner. Alright, so that is basically done. Now I'm going to take some mascara and coat my lashes a little bit. Alright, let me pop these eyelashes on. I think the glue is dry. So that is my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera, but not really off camera. So yeah, the face part I'm cutting out of this video. Stay tuned for a foundation review. And if you guys see the same eyes, you know, it's the same day, okay? Alright, so I'm back and I finished majority of my face and this side of my eye. All of that is done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat it on camera so y'all can see what I did and see what I used. So I'm taking this old BH Cosmetics angled brush and I'm taking the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner, and I'm just gonna line my bottom waterline with that, because when I do like heavy eye looks like this, I just feel like I need to put black on my waterline to make it look more out there, you know? Like, that was weird. So I'm lining my bottom waterline. Make sure. This part always makes me a little emotional. Now I'm going to take my Sigma E25 brush and take Capricorn, this color right here, and just press it right up under that liner and smoke it out. And then blending it into the rest of the eye look up here. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can because when I get to this part, my eyes don't like to be touched. Now I'm taking the matte Aquarius color, this one right here, and I'm taking my Morphe M156 brush and pressing this right on my waterline to intensify it without using black, because I already used black to line my inner waterline, so I didn't want to use any more black, you know. I'm taking this middle color to highlight my inner corner. And now I'm just going to pack on a whole bunch of mascara. Alright you guys, so this is the finished eye look, and I like how the eye look came out, but I feel like the Capricorn color is a bit on the ashy side, which is throwing off, I feel like it's throwing off the whole face in a sense. So my thoughts on this whole palette, I was definitely surprised at how pigmented the palette was, but there are some colors in here that aren't really brown girl friendly. It just needs a little more pigment. It's pigmented, y'all, like I can't lie, but it is on the ashy side. Let me swatch some more of the colors. Like, yeah, they're pigmented. It has color to it, but when I blend it out, it just looks a little ashy. I'm swatching Aries, which is the hot pink color in the palette. See? Pigment. So I'm swatching Leo now, which is supposed to be like the mustard yellow color in the palette. And this one, do y'all get what I'm saying? I'm not trying to be mean. Like, if any brands are watching my videos, I'm not trying to be mean at all. I'm not trying to bash y'all company. I just feel like, you know, some of the eyeshadows just don't work on my skin tone, which goes for a lot of brands, because I do come across this problem a lot when it comes to eyeshadows. It just looks ashy when it hits my skin tone. I just like wearing eyeshadow, and I feel like I shouldn't have to put a lighter concealer on my skin tone to make the color pop. I'm not light skinned, I am brown. That's all I have to say about this eyeshadow palette. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end off this video. I hope you guys liked my review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll put my face right here. All you have to do is click on it and subscribe, and while you're at it, turn on your bell notifications so that you guys will be the first one to know when I upload a brand new video. And I will see you guys in my next video, which I will place right here on the screen. Okay, bye.